Hi and welcome to Ron's Garage. I will continue with the rust fixing and preparing this car for paint. But as you all know, or not everyone, but everyone that's been behind me know that this motor is not perfect. It's eating oil and it's smoking a lot. I have a solution. I have a new car. But what is that? That was an ugly car. That's actually a Nissan Leaf. And that is the donor car for the Mercedes. The Mercedes will go electric. So I have bought a donor car, but I haven't even removed the engine. I haven't measured where to put the new engine, the batteries and everything. And yeah, it might be stupid, as you know, I do stupid stuff with cars. But the idea is I will do the rust renovation, the painting of this car, and with my speed, with all my other projects, I plan that it might take 2 years. During that time, I will be driving the Leaf and see how it is to drive an electric vehicle. Then, when this car looks good on the outside, I will continue electrifying it. I have got some inspiration and actually some help from high voltage cars and Marcus there. I will add a link in the description. And yeah, I will try to learn as much as possible about electric cars before I start this work, because I know it's dangerous. You need to know what you do with high voltage electrics. So let's start with fixing this car so it at least looks good. So I used this abrasive sponge, I guess, and cleaned that out, or smoothed it out. I can see a lot of markings from when I've been grinding with different tools here, but that will solve later, I hope. I should probably paint some primer, probably rust primer here. It's a bit cold in the garage, but it might work. Let's see, I'll have a look what I have down in the cellar. Maybe I should do something else instead. So I have this old spray gun that I think I put some thinner or something in that box and left it there. And yeah, it doesn't look good. I would like to have this for the base coat, but probably I can't use it, but I'll clean it up and see if it works at all. So it doesn't look too bad on the outside, but I'm pretty sure I should be able to pull that thing out, and I'm not. And there you also see some old paint. Yeah. I'll try to figure this out and do something else for a while. I was actually able to get some stuff loose, and as you see, I did not clean this paint gun enough last time. I'll continue seeing if I can break it down in pieces. Mostly for myself. There was an O-ring or something on that bar, or yeah. So I need to put that back. Might even need a better one. But yeah, let's keep that in mind. Here we actually have some plastic in this. So I won't put that in thinner. So yeah, I'll put that in the bottle where I put the O-ring. There was also an O-ring here. I should either put that back and see if I have another one. Almost there. I was bending with this screwdriver and pulling with this one. It's still not loose. I can pull it in and out like that, but I don't get it entirely out. But that should be solved soon. So if you're gonna paint, clean your paint gun, otherwise it will not work. Like me. There it's loose and full with paint gunk. That should be a filter. I don't think this spray gun worked very good the last time I used it. And you see all the paint here. Yeah, I'll see if I can get it up and running to use it for the base or the first paint. I know the word somewhere. Yeah. So now is everything loose, but this one and this one. This one I had an Allen key that fit, but it's not moving. This one, I think it's actually a 9mm Allen key, and my set is 7, 8, 10. So yeah, let's put it in some thinner and see what's happening. So we'll let it sip like that for a while, and I also need to buy some body to have below the doors here. I think it's called body. It's for to stand stone chips and so on. So I'll buy that, and hopefully I will have that next time you see me here. And since I got almost a full video here, I will end this episode off here. Please like and subscribe as usual, and I'll buy some more thinner and body, and it's time to start laying some primer. Thank you.